Right, product of prime factors in index form. When I say to express 300 as the product of its prime factors in index form, you've got to divide by prime numbers. So the first thing you're thinking of, what are the prime numbers? A prime number is a number that only one in itself go into. So the prime numbers would be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. Because only one in itself. And what my little tips would be, if it's even, I'm going to divide by 2. So I'm going to start by dividing by 2. So I write 300 in the middle, and I know, because that's even, even means it ends in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. I divide it by 2. So what I'm doing is half in 300. Half of 300, half of 30 is 15, and I got an extra 0. So half of 300 is 150. Right, that is even as well. So I'm going to divide that by 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide that 150 by 2. And half of 150, all right, if you don't know how to do that, 2 goes into 150, 2 goes into 15 7 times, 1 left over, and then 2 into 10, 5 times. So that becomes 75. That's not even, so I can't divide by 2. So what I'm going to divide by now is, you've got a choice. You can either add up the digits, 7 add 5 is 12, because 12 is in the 3 times table, I can divide by 3. So I'm going to divide it by 3. And I'm going to do on the side, how many 3s in 75? How many 3s in 7? 2 3s are 6, 1 left over. How many 3s in 15? 5. So 3 goes into 75, 25 times. And now any prime numbers go into 25. 2 add 5 is 7, so 3 doesn't go into it, because 7 isn't in the 3 times table. But I know 5 5s are 25, so 5 5s are 25. So my answer then, I write 300, all these little circles next to each other. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. And then in index form, if you remember how to write an index form, I got 2 2s, so I write it 2 to the 2. I got 1 3, and I got 2 5s. And that's expressing the product of its prime factors in index form.